I'm living my best life. Yeah, yeah, living my best life. Yeah. Sometimes this sucks to tell the truth, and I took it hard like people do. But I'm learning how to eat the fruit that is in season. Never thought I'd be a grown-ass man. But you know what they say, a best laid plans. Now I'm holding on to my daughter's hand. I've got a reason to be alive. And, oh yeah, baby, I'm thriving. Yeah, yeah, I'm living my best life. I wake up with the sunrise. It does not look a thing like I thought that it would, but I've been getting my steps in, and I sleep with my best friend. It's the best thing